guys, today we will draw and color dice which starts from the letter D. The things we need are eraser, pencil, sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So let's start. First, we will draw a vertical line and all the lines side should be same. So I've made a square and now I'm going to make slanting lines like this. Now all the three lines should be like this, so we'll make it bigger. Now this is done. Now we'll join all the corners. Now we are going to draw the dots which is on a dice. So here 1, here 2 and here 3. Now we'll outline this. Other dots are on the other side of the dice, which we will not be able to see. And now the dots. Now I will take dark blue color and I will color the dots. Keep the rest of the dice white. A dice is used in a board game. We roll the dice and how much we get we play like that. It's played in snakes and ladders and in Ludo and in Monopoly, etc. Thank you.